Imagine picking a fresh lime or orange from your own backyard tree. Growing citrus at home is easier than you think, and you don't need to buy a tree or wait years for fruit. By taking a cutting from an existing tree, you can grow your own for free. This simple process, called propagation, lets you clone the parent tree, so you'll get the same delicious fruit. Trees grown from cuttings mature faster and can bear fruit in just a few years. Soon, your garden could be filled with the scent of blossoms and homegrown citrus. Let's get started. The best time to take cuttings from your citrus tree is late spring or early summer, when the plant is actively growing. This gives your cuttings the best chance to root. Look for semi-hardwood branches, firm, flexible, and not too woody. Choose healthy, disease-free stems about the thickness of a pencil. Use clean, sharp shears to cut a 15 to 20 centimeter section. Remove leaves from the lower half, leaving just 2 or 3 at the top. Trim the remaining leaves in half to reduce water loss. Gently scrape the base to expose the green cambium. This helps roots form. Your cutting is now ready for propagation. Let's move on to rooting. Use a rooting hormone to give your plant cuttings the best possible start. This simple step can significantly boost your cutting's chances of developing strong roots. Dip the base of your cutting in water first, then coat it thoroughly in hormone powder. For a natural alternative, try using honey or willow water, both of which encourage root growth. Choose a light, well-draining soil mix to prevent rot and help roots breathe. Fill a clean pot, make a hole in the center, and gently plant the cutting. Water it well, ensuring the soil is damp but never soaked to avoid root rot. Humidity is key. Create a mini greenhouse by covering the pot with a clear plastic bag. Place your pot in bright, indirect light to encourage healthy growth. Check for condensation inside the bag. Mist the cutting if it looks dry. In about 6-8 weeks, gently tug the cutting to check for new roots forming. If you feel resistance, congratulations, roots have formed and your plant is on its way. Once roots form, your citrus journey truly begins. These roots are the foundation of a healthy plant, so let them develop strong before moving on. Keep your cutting in a mini greenhouse for a couple more weeks. This protects delicate roots and helps your plant adjust and grow. Gradually open the greenhouse each day, letting your plant get used to outside air. This slow transition builds resilience. When new leaves appear, transplant to a bigger pot. Fresh leaves mean your cutting is thriving and ready for more space. Use quality potting mix and water well, making sure excess water can drain away. Give your citrus plenty of sunlight. 6 to 8 hours daily is ideal. Use citrus feed during the growing season for healthy leaves and fruit. Water regularly, letting the top inch of soil dry out between waterings. With patience and care, you'll soon enjoy fruit from a tree you nurtured yourself. There's nothing sweeter than homegrown citrus.